Patience, creative. You did not get blocked overnight, and you're not going to get out of it overnight either. I know you're not moving as fast as you want to. I know you're not even moving as fast as that guy you compare yourself to on the regular. The pace you're moving is the right pace for you. It incorporates where you are in your life, the places you've struggled, the victories you've won, the spots where you're strong because you fought your way through. One of the reasons your art is unique and is yours is because it incorporates all that you are, all that you've been through, all that you know, all that you've learned, all that you love. And that's not going to happen if you're moving at somebody else's pace. So don't feel bad if it seems to be slow. It's not. It is the same way with plants. You are growing at the pace you need in order to bloom and produce fruit. Don't hate on your pace. Don't hate on your work. Just keep moving forward, and eventually you will get there. Sit down with me now, and let's make something new.